This exam application tutorial is on the topic of half-life. The question for 6 marks reads, a scientist measures the radioactivity of a rock using a GM tube or Geiger-Müller tube or Geiger counter. Another scientist suggests that their reading will be inaccurate. Explain how to correct this inaccuracy. So the translation is, how will the original reading be incorrect? Explain why it will be incorrect, and explain how to correct the mistake. So firstly, the reading will be higher than it should be. So this is the actual reading of our sample here, our radioactive sample, but what I'm getting from the Geiger counter is a reading up here. So I've dealt with this question, how will the original reading be incorrect? What about why it will be incorrect? Well, that's because the GM tube is detecting background radiation as well. So we can see that it's picking up radiation from the background as well as from the uranium sample in front of it. So to correct this mistake, I take several readings of background radiation in different locations. So in the area I'm basically taking the reading, I'd want to move my Geiger counter to different areas in the vicinity, in the local area, and take many readings of background radiation. This allows me to calculate a reliable average reading of background radiation. And then all I have to do is subtract this value from the reading of the sample or the rock. So I basically get rid of the background radiation.